The upcoming episode of Ishq Junooni is packed with intense drama and emotional moments. Ruhani's sudden disappearance leaves Guru deeply worried. Unable to find peace, he begins searching for her everywhere, determined to bring her back no matter what it takes. On the other hand, Ruhani finds herself caught in a shocking conspiracy. After being kidnapped by a group of dangerous men, she is wrongfully sent to a mental asylum. Surrounded by strangers and trapped in a place she never belonged, Ruhani desperately tries to prove her innocence and escape the nightmare. As her situation grows more frightening, Guru's concern turns into determination. He follows every clue and refuses to give up his search. His heart tells him that Ruhani is in grave danger, and he races against time to find her. Just when all hope seems lost, Guru finally discovers where Ruhani is being held. Without thinking twice, he rushes to save her. His arrival brings a ray of hope into Ruhani's dark world as he stands by her side when she needs him the most. Will this rescue bring Guru and Ruhani closer than ever before? Will Ruhani finally recognize the depth of Guru's love and devotion? Can they overcome every obstacle standing between them and start a new chapter together? The upcoming episode promises powerful emotions, shocking twists, and a heartwarming reunion that fans won't want to miss. The upcoming episode of Ishq Junooni is going to bring an emotional storm filled with suspense, danger, and unexpected twists. Guru is desperately searching for Ruhani after she suddenly disappears from his life. Her absence leaves him restless, and he cannot stop thinking about her. Determined to find her, he begins searching everywhere, refusing to lose hope. At the same time, Ruhani finds herself trapped in a horrifying situation. As part of a cruel conspiracy, she is kidnapped and wrongfully confined to a mental asylum. Surrounded by fear and uncertainty, she struggles to escape and prove that she has been framed. With every passing moment, Ruhani's situation becomes more dangerous. But fate is about to change everything. Guru finally discovers a crucial clue that leads him to her whereabouts. Realizing the severity of the situation, he rushes to save her before it is too late. The drama reaches its peak when Guru arrives at the asylum and confronts the forces responsible for Ruhani's suffering. Refusing to back down, he stands strong and becomes her shield in her darkest hour. His courage, determination, and unconditional love give Ruhani the strength to keep fighting. Will Guru succeed in bringing Ruhani back to safety? Will Ruhani finally understand how deeply Guru cares for her? Can their love overcome every obstacle and erase the distance between them? The upcoming episode promises heart-stopping suspense, emotional moments, and a powerful rescue.